VViral review, demo, and $3,175 bonus. Hey, what's up guys, this is Art from art2marketingblog.com and this is my VViral review, a brand new product released by Bishop, Venkata Ramana and Abhi Dwivedi. This is a product that I'm super excited about because I'm doing a lot of YouTube recently and this is something that will essentially create the videos for you, and I will definitely start using it because it's a massive time saver and it will also allow you to use the power of already existing viral videos. And in a second I'm going to show you how much money you can make actually. Obviously with YouTube you can make money in a number of different ways with affiliate marketing, CPA marketing, but even if you're going to do YouTube ads revenue and nothing else, so if you're not going to monetize your channel in any other way, you will still make money. And you'll make a lot of money because these big viral videos are getting millions of views, and these are exactly the videos that you're going to be using and re-uploading. Okay. And before I share my screen, let me just mention to you I have a huge bonus custom made, including software bonuses, including W's of the Day awarded products, including some custom made bonuses especially for this promotion. It's worth well over $3,000. So I'm going to show you my bonus in the end of this video. And right now let me share my screen and let's jump into this review video. Now first of all, I just wanted to show you a YouTube channel that is getting tons of views. This is one of the biggest ones when it comes to these little videos for kids, you know. So I just wanted to show you the power behind just simple little videos that, you know, kids watch or maybe like teenagers watch. This channel is called 5 Minutes Crafts. You can check it out, and as you can see they have like 60 million subscribers. They have, you know, a lot of videos, but basically what they are doing, they're shooting one video and they just do different compilations of the same video. So if you go to this channel and just watch like 10 different videos, it's essentially the same video, but they compile it in a different way. Okay, so the thing with them is that they actually shoot these videos themselves, but the thing with VViral is that you can use these videos or any other video from any other channel and just make compilations. So YouTube actually allows you to make compilations as long as you credit the original source. So it can be another YouTube channel, it can be Instagram, it can be just any other social media channel. And if you're making compilations, you can actually monetize your channel, and this is what I wanted to show you. And if we're gonna go to socialblade.com and look up the stats for 5 Minute Crafts, and as you can see, they are making anywhere from $64,000 to $1 million per month just from the ads. Okay, so again, you don't even have to monetize these videos with affiliate marketing or CPA marketing or any other model. If you are going to use YouTube ads and nothing else, you can still make a lot of money. Obviously this is one of the biggest channels on YouTube, but you know, they are making up to $1 million per month, so it's $12 million per year. So you know, just keep in mind, even just with YouTube ads you can still make tons of money. Okay, just go to socialblade.com, check out all the stats for your favorite channels, and you can see how much money they are actually making. Okay, with that being said, let's check out this sales page, and as you can see, it says VViral revealed stealth software turns keywords into unlimited free viral traffic videos in 60 seconds, 14 million free visitors to one video. Use this secret video trick to drive insane amounts of free traffic and sales. So again, obviously you're going to create these videos. They are made from already viral videos, so they will go viral. You're going to be getting millions of views potentially, and obviously you can monetize this in any way you want. So you can do YouTube ads and nothing else, and you can actually use these videos to send traffic anywhere you want. So to affiliate offers, to CPA offers, to your e-com store, to your blog, to your social media, wherever you want. Okay, so this sales page is pretty long, so I'm not going to read all of it to you, but again, you know, 14 million videos. You can grab any viral video or any the software actually creates 3 different types of videos, so I'm going to show you that in a second. And you can use any video and just you know, use the software to recompose it and upload it to your own channel. So scrolling down here, so that's the video secret. Obviously you can use this in any niche. VViral, that's the name of this product. And again, this is my VViral review. Scrolling down, they get some more examples right here, some more proof. Obviously, we're going to be getting viral traffic. That's a special offer, and I'm going to show you all the pricing in a second. So that's essentially it. Again, you can go through all of this in your own time. I don't want to bore you with the sales page right here. Let me show you the inside of the members area, and this is how this looks like. Okay, so obviously I'm not going to be doing a full demo right now. I just wanted to show you the inside and get on some key points. Okay, so I'm going to have a full demo. It's like an 8-minute demo, both on my blog and on my YouTube channel as always. So the video I'm going to upload to YouTube right after this one will be the demo video, and if you're watching on my blog, the video below this one is the demo video to show you exactly how to create a video, etc. But I just wanted to show you all of the options right now. Okay, so as you can see, we are on the dashboard right here. We have the video explanation. So we can access the dashboard, and we can create 3 different types of videos. We can do quote videos, so that's perfect if you own like a business. You know, people love these like motivational quotes videos, etc. You can do GIF videos, which is like you can use memes, you can use like, you know, funny videos, etc. And you can use viral videos. Okay, so obviously you're gonna be grabbing the videos that are already viral and just recomposing them and re-uploading, which means that they're gonna go viral as well. And the cool thing is that in the training they will actually show you how to piggyback off of already existing videos. So there's a trick that will allow you to actually show up in the recommended tab of any other video. Okay, so if you already have a video with 5 million views, obviously it's already getting views, it's going to be continuing to get views, and if you're going to show up in recommended, you're going to get views from that. So, you know, it's a piggyback method, and this is exactly what you're going to get with the video training. Before I'm going to show you the video training, let's just click on like the quote video, and let me show you exactly how to start creating one of these. Okay, so as you can see, essentially what we are doing is we are adding slides. Okay, so if we're going to be using an existing videos, you can cut it up, you can use slides, you can add text, you can add images, you can add video, you can add music, whatever you want to add. And as you can see, we get the slide settings, slide quote, text and position. We can upload it, we can use the library. So if we're going to click on the library, we got images and videos. And actually what we are doing is just we are recomposing the existing video, and we are just adding slides. Okay, so again, I'm not going to be doing this right now, but I'm going to have a full demo. So if you want to check out exactly how this works, go ahead and check it out right now. And going back right here, so again, you can create quote videos, GIF videos, or viral videos. And let me show you all the video training right now. Okay, so as you can see, we have the overview, we have how to create quotes, we have how to create GIF videos, how to create viral videos, how to give credit back to the original video, so the stuff that I mentioned, how to connect and post videos in Dropbox, how to connect and post videos in Facebook account, how to connect and post videos in YouTube. So obviously, you know, YouTube is just one of the places that you can post these videos to. How to connect and push video in live reel and script reel and SciVid, and how to create client account, and the last one, how to create a virtual account. Okay, so this is what you're getting. As you can see, all the video training is obviously included. You'll be able to create video after video after video, literally in minutes, upload it and get all this viral traffic. Okay, so this is what you will see inside the members area. Again, check out the full demo for all the details. And right now, let's check out the pricing and all of the OTOs. Okay, so as you can see, VViral will open on December 4th at 11 a.m. Eastern, and the early bird price will be just $19.97. So pretty crazy low price, but keep in mind, it will go up to $29.97 at 3 p.m. Eastern the same day, and the price will keep on rising. Okay, so if you want to pick it up for under $20, make sure to show up early, 11 a.m. Eastern on December 4th, and after you'll pick it up, you will be presented with a few one-time offers, so some upsells. Okay, OTO number one, we got VViral Pro, $67, and as you can see, you will be able to create unlimited videos. So that's quote videos, GIF videos, viral videos. You're gonna get a full agency business license. You're gonna get clients access account features. You can do local leads with an app, so you're gonna get that as well. You're gonna create Ultra HD 1080p videos. You can create extra long videos. You're gonna get step-by-step video training, a done for you client contract, 100 plus Facebook ad templates, and a bunch of different additional features. Okay, so that's audio number 1. Then we have VViral audio number 2, AMS Neos Pro Machine, $97. So this is training on how to make money online using videos and Amazon. Then we have automatically create Amazon affiliate stores. You're gonna create unlimited Amazon stores. You will get a free web hosting that is included. You're gonna add unlimited products automatically, choose from 1,000 plus designs, and obviously this is 100% customizable, and you're gonna get a ton of other things as well. Okay, so that's audio number 2, $97 if you want to use Amazon. Audio number 3, we get SciVid agency license, which means that you're gonna be publishing videos on 10 video sites, so not just one. I'm gonna share videos on 15 sites. You can upload as many as you want. You're gonna get a commercial and agency license, so 2 licenses. You'll be uploading videos and syndicating videos for clients, clients account features, sub count features, etc., and that will be $47 per year. Okay. And then the last one, we have audio number 4, Vid Optimized Neos, $27, and this is an app so that will allow you to research, analyze, and rank videos. You're gonna get detailed video niche analysis, built-in auto backlink finder and creation tool. You can optimize your title, description, and find proven tags. Essentially, you're spying on your competitors both on YouTube and Google. Okay, so these are all of the OTOs. We only have 4, as you can see. Obviously, OTOs are optional and you'll be fine with the main product alone. But if you want the pro version, or maybe if you want to use it for Amazon or get the additional video places where you can upload it, you can definitely think about picking one of these up. And as always, I just wanted to mention to you that I have a full written review right here on my blog. So this will include the funnel, and obviously this will include all of the bonuses that I have for you, because I have, again, well over $3,000 worth of bonuses, and I'm going to show you exactly what it is right now. Okay, so again, if you're on my blog, if you want to pick up VViral through my link, all you have to do is just click on one of these blue links. And if you're on YouTube, just click the first link in the description to go directly to the sales page. And as you can see, again, the first link in the description on YouTube will only start working after 11 a.m. Eastern on December 4th. And obviously one of these blue links, the same exact thing. So let me tell you exactly what I'm giving away as my free bonus. First of all, I'm going to give you 4 custom-made bonuses, especially for this promotion. So this is something I made myself, and these are custom made for VViral, which means that this is everything that you need to know about YouTube and video marketing. Okay, so these are 4 custom made VViral bonuses. You're also going to get a reseller's license to 3 of my top selling products: InstaVid, Traffic Trapper, and Traffic Extractor. So that bonus alone is worth $500. I'm also going to give you a done for you pack, which I normally sell as an OTO to my own products. You're gonna get it for free. So this includes done for you campaigns, emails, funnels, and much more. You're also gonna get Buyers List Ninja, great for VViral if you want to use that traffic for creating a buyer's list. You're also gonna get Fiverr Income Secrets, Fiverr Masterclass, and Riser, everything you need to know about selling on Fiverr, because obviously you can use VViral to sell a gig on Fiverr and just do this for other people, create videos for other people and make hundreds of dollars this way. Newbie Traffic Formula, another traffic course I got for you. That's W's of the Day awarded course. You're gonna get VidSkippy 2.0, that's a software bonus. You're gonna get Hookum and FlipMe, and also Tube Traffic Avalanche. So these are W's of the Day awarded courses. You're also gonna get WP Facebook Quiz Creator. You're gonna get Mobile 2-Step Opt-in Generator, Viral Source, and Content Pop-Up Pro, Video Focus, Smart Commenter, Soci Quick. So these are all pieces of software and plugins, and a case study. And on top of all this, you're gonna get 9 additional plugins: Affiliate Advantage plugin, Giant Plugin Biz, Sales Page Writing Software, Squeeze Page Creator, TrueText, iAsk, Popbox, Sales Bar, and Short Call to Action. And on top of all this, you're gonna get my mega bonus, and my mega bonus is a total of 45 plus W's of the Day and Product of the Day awarded courses. You can check it out by going to artofmarketing.com/mega bonus, and my mega bonus alone is worth $1,500, and this will bring it up to a total of $3,175. And again, you're gonna get all of these bonuses for free. just as a thank you for picking up VViral through my link. And again, VViral will be going live on December 4th at 11 a.m. Eastern, so keep in mind the link, this blue link right here, and the first link in the description won't work until the product goes live, because sometimes you guys ask me that question like, the link doesn't work. That is why. And before I go, let me just mention to you and tell you how to claim the bonus. Okay, so you don't have to send me any receipts, you don't have to email me, you don't have to do anything. My bonus will be delivered automatically, and obviously going to be using Warrior Plus. So all you have to do is just go to click on your icon, click on purchase history, open the product that you bought through my link, and right here on the thank you for your purchase page, after this access your purchase button, under this access your purchase button, you'll see another button saying bonus from Art. Okay, so that's how you access it. Again, this is automatically delivered to you, so you don't have to email me receipts or anything like that. As always, if you have any questions, please let me know. If you're watching on YouTube, please give it a like, please subscribe to this channel for more review videos just like this one. And again, I really love this product. Just to sum up this whole review video, you'll be able to instantly create viral traffic videos using just one keyword. You're gonna be pulling staggering amounts of free viral traffic and sales. You can choose a style of a video you want. So again, these three formats that I told you about. You can create videos with a simple keyword selection. VViral instantly creates videos in seconds for you, so you just have to rearrange the slides. You're gonna be publishing traffic getting videos across any niche, and obviously this is super easy to use and UB friendly. Okay, so guys, again, this was my VViral review video for you. If you have any questions, please let me know, and I'll be seeing you in the next review video. Ciao.